So, this is my MTD lawn tractor. I bought it used back in 2010, and it still mows my 1,500 square meters of lawn perfectly fine. But now it's time. The gears in the steering column are completely worn out, the whole thing needs to be replaced. By the way, I've never done an oil change on this tractor, but the engine just keeps on running. I think it'll last until the mower deck completely rusts through. And then, yeah, I'll probably treat myself to a robotic mower. Alright, to remove the column, I block the bolt at the bottom with a 13mm ring spanner. Then I just turn the steering wheel clockwise. That's the easiest way to loosen the bolt. The new steering column cost me €66, plus €8 shipping. When reinstalling, it's much easier if you disconnect the front axle first. You can screw the bolt in nicely by hand. Since it's really hard to reach without taking off the mower deck, I block the bolt again with the wrench and turn the steering wheel counterclockwise to tighten it. Now I reconnect the steering column to the front axle. When the wheels are straight, the gear on the steering shaft should line up exactly in the center of the horizontal gear. And now, the old machine runs like new again.